Hello guys, welcome to my Android Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix remote desktop error, and the error code is 0x104. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are getting the error 0x104 while connecting with the remote desktop, then I will show you how to fix this. First of all, you need to open your control panel. Just click on start menu, then search here control panel. You can see here control panel. Just click on this. In right section you can see here view by. Just you have to change the category. After that you can see here network and internet. Just click on this. You can see here network and sharing center. Just click on this. Guys, you can see here change advanced sharing settings. Just click on this. In this you have to make sure that you have checked turn on network discovery. After checking this one, just save and close this window. Guys, after doing this, still your problem is not fixed, then try the second method. Just click on start menu and search for troubleshooter. You can see here troubleshooting setting. Just click on this. Other troubleshooter, just click on this. You need to scroll down a little bit. You can see here network adapter. Just click on run. Just select all network adapter and click on next. After seeing this option, just select the second option, and in this select the first option, other computers to connect to this computer. Select the second option, connect to this computer using remote desktop connection. Just click on next. Guys, after doing this, check whether your problem is fixed or not. Guys, after doing these settings, once you have to restart your laptop or PC. After restarting your laptop or PC, hope your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix remote desktop error, and the error code is 0x104. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.